Don Moody here of handymanreality.com and bathsurgeons.ca. We just did a repaint of a home that's about to be rented, and that is 5636 203 Street in the Hamptons, West Edmonton. So that was the front of the house, and now we have the interior. So entrance closet right by the entrance, nice open floor plan sort of thing, good view for through the front, a very nice open floor plan. It's all been freshly painted. Actually, a new tile backsplash was just installed, and to make things a little nicer, a tile floor was just installed in the rear entranceway. This is a 2.5 bathroom home, so there's a half bathroom on the main floor and 2 full bathrooms on the second floor. This is a 3-bedroom home. There's your tile and extra paint. We could have put in the basement. Oops. Let's see. Fridge, stove, dishwasher, full basement with nice and empty and clean, with laundry. So nice full basement sort of thing. It's all ready for a bathroom to be built in the basement. Oh, get so excited. So of course, you know, basements don't really get finished a heck of a lot. They either get fully finished or next to not. Let's go up to the second floor and have a quick peek. This was fun to paint. It is very tall. Looks very tall in there. So your 1 full bathroom here, full 3-piece. One of the, I guess it would be a kid's bedroom or alternate bedrooms. Each has a nice full 4-foot closets, bifold doors. And then we have a, of course you have a linen closet. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet with a pocket door. So it's got a little more room than the others, sort of thing. And pocket door to hide it all. The ensuite bathroom is sink, toilet, and shower stall. Ooh, I love it when they put the, I love it when they do that. Because then, you know, if you're a guy, you can shave looking in the mirror. Which I tend to do. Oh, wait, too much information. So yes, this is a beautiful 3-bedroom home in the Hamptons of West Edmonton. Has a master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet. Beautiful full bathroom for the kids. And let's see, it's got a garage and yard and stuff. Let me cheat. Okay, why cheat? Why don't we just lift the blinds like normal people? So yeah, it's spring in the yard, you know, doesn't look too green yet. But it has a full double garage and has a deck out back. So this would be a beautiful Hamptons home. It has been freshly prepared for new tenants. It has its own blinds. Nice door light at the back. Second peek at the, there's a gate around the side there. So you have a full deck here. And a nice private fenced in area. So, this has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com of Edmonton, Alberta, and bathsurgeons.ca. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye now.